Get ready for a mind-blowing space fact. Deep in the cosmos, scientists just keep unearthing spine-tingling secrets. One chilling discovery is Kepler 10b, an ancient, eerie world born over 12 billion years ago, almost 3 times older than our own sun. This scorching hot planet orbits its star in a jaw-dropping feat of celestial engineering. With dimensions 1.47 times bigger and 3.72 times heavier than Earth, imagine a massive ball of rock or iron hurtling through space. And if that's not enough, Kepler 10b's surface is home to seething magma oceans teeming with iron oxides, an alien landscape that would make any sci-fi movie feel real. Let's dive into the eerie details that make these space findings so terrifying. First off, Kepler 10b's proximity to its star means it has some seriously blistering heat. We're talking a sizzling 1,833 Kelvin, which is hotter than a blast furnace or molten lava. That's enough to melt iron, and the scorching daytime temperatures would make any planet life as we know it impossible. But don't get too comfortable, because our next cosmic fright awaits. Get ready to be awestruck and maybe even a little unsettled by J407b, the jaw-dropping super Saturn. This Goliath of a planet is an astonishing 20 times bigger than our own ringed beauty, Saturn. Can you even imagine? Its mind-boggling rings stretch across a whopping 180 million kilometers, which is not only 200 times larger than Saturn's, but also spans farther than the distance between the Sun and Earth. Scientists discovered this cosmic giant by observing how its massive ring system briefly blocked light from its host star during an event called a ring eclipse. Talk about a celestial traffic jam. What's even more fascinating, yet slightly unsettling, is that Super Saturn rotates in reverse, keeping its rings safe from the scorching star, but also setting them up for a sad fate. They'll likely disappear over thousands of orbits. Meet Gliese 436b, or GJ436b, the blazing hot world that left scientists stunned. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. This tiny but fiery hot Neptune is the smallest transiting planet discovered so far and was initially predicted to have a sizzling average temperature of around 620 Kelvin. But hold on to your seats, because things just got way hotter. GJ436b's surface is actually scorching at 712 Kelvin or 439 degrees Celsius. Now, you'd expect that with temperatures this extreme, everything would be a liquid, right? Well, here's the mind-bending part. Despite these crazy high temps, scientists found ice on its surface. Yes, you read that correctly, Ali, burning hot ice. But don't worry, it's not as weird as it sounds. The special kind of ice is influenced by layers of hydrogen and helium and stays solid thanks to GJ436b's intense gravity. This enigmatic exoplanet continues to blow our minds, leaving us with even more questions about what makes it tick, or rather boil. Get ready to meet Trappist 1b, an Earth-sized gem that's anything but ordinary. This mysterious exoplanet orbits around Trappist 1, a super-cool, ultra-dwarf star that's a whopping 0.0005 times dimmer than our Sun and packs only 11% of the Sun's diameter. And guess what? Trappist 1b is Venus-like in appearance, but has a massive surprise. It's got the exact same mass as Earth. However, this celestial twin is about 12% bigger in size, making it less dense compared to our home planet. But here's where things get really wild. Despite its size, Trappist 1b boasts an alarmingly high carbon dioxide content and a surface temperature of around 1,500 Kelvin or 1,230 degrees Celsius. That's way too hot for any liquid water, but who knows what secrets this fiery world holds. Let's dive into 2 mind-blowing exoplanets. First up, Trappist 1b, a Venus twin with an earthly twist. Orbiting a super-cool dwarf star, this scorching world boasts a surface temperature that could melt metal 1,500 Kelvin or 1,230 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to have actual molten lava flowing on its surface. And now, get ready for Korat 7b, the first ever discovered rocky planet beyond our solar system. This Mercury-like planet orbits its star in just 20 hours, making it the record holder for the shortest orbit period at the time of its discovery back in February 2009. With a diameter 1.58 times that of Earth and a surface composed primarily of silicate rocks or metals, Korat 7b is an alien world that's unlike anything we've seen before. You're in for a treat as we explore these extreme exoplanets. First up, Korat 7b. This scorching hot world is basically a lava ocean planet, with temperatures soaring to a sizzling 1,800 Kelvin or 1,500 degrees Celsius on average. That's hotter than the tungsten filament of an incandescent light bulb, and it means that molten rock is flowing right across its surface like a cosmic sea. But don't let that intense heat fool you. Korat 7b also packs a massive iron core with an internal structure eerily similar to Mercury. Now, buckle up for WASP 12b, often called the diamond planet due to its jaw-dropping carbon-rich composition. This gas giant boasts rocks made of pure graphite and even diamonds. What other mind-blowing secrets are hiding in our universe's most extreme planets? Get ready to witness some out-of-this-world planets. Next up, we've got WASP 12b. This gas giant is straight-up stunning and terrifying at the same time. Its crazy high carbon content makes it nearly invisible, absorbing all light without a single reflection. But that's not all. Its extremely close orbit to its star has given it an egg-cellent shape, distorted by intense gravitational forces. The bad news: WASP 12b is getting eaten alive by its star at an insane rate of 189 quadrillion tons per year. This cosmic snack is predicted to be gone in just 10 million years. Now, let's travel to a much wider orbit and discover HD 16906b. Despite being far from its host star, this exoplanet still boasts scorching temperatures of over 1,500 degrees Celsius on its surface. What's cooking here? Buckle up for some mind-blowing space facts. HD 16906b is one seriously puzzling planet. It's about 650 times farther from its star than Earth is from the Sun, but temperatures on this world are still a sizzling 1,500 degrees Celsius. What gives? Astronomers have proposed a wild theory that maybe we're just seeing a cosmic coincidence, and HD 16906b isn't actually bound to its star by gravity, but the odds of that happening, a tiny 0.01%. Now, let's dive into some planet wealth. Meet 55 Cancri, where you'll find an astonishing treasure trove of diamonds worth a whopping 6.9 billion. Get ready for some extreme planetary adventures. Let's start with 55 Cancri, a carbon-rich planet discovered in 2004. And talk about being rich, 1/3 of its mass is solid carbon, possibly in the form of pure diamond due to the intense pressure and heat inside. This scorching world has temperatures reaching 2,300 degrees Celsius, is volcanically active, and completely dry with no water vapor in its atmosphere. And check this out, it's actually the innermost planet in its planetary system, with a diameter roughly twice that of our Earth. Now, let's blast off to Kepler 70b, where things get even hotter. This exoplanet has surface temperatures expected to be way beyond the Sun's sizzling surface, making it the hottest known world out there. Let's dive into some truly mind-blowing worlds. First up, we have Kepler 70b, an exoplanet that's literally off the charts when it comes to heat. Its surface temps are expected to be even more extreme than our Sun's. And here's why: its host star, Kepler 70, is a scorching 6 times hotter than our own star. But wait, there's more. Kepler 70b also holds the record for the shortest orbit period ever recorded, zooming around its star in just 5.76 hours. That's one intense ride. Now, let's shift gears and explore Kepler 660b, a world so bizarre it'll leave you speechless. This exoplanet is a stunning mix of gas and rock, with half being gaseous and the other predominantly icy rocky all. Talk about having your cake and eating ice cream too. And we're back with more out-of-this-world facts. Kepler 60b is the game-changer in double-star systems. It's the first planet ever discovered orbiting not one, but 2 stars. Imagine witnessing 2 sunsets every day from its chilly surface, and get this, it's smaller than Saturn.